Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if a button or your Lovable website doesn't respond when clicked, no action, no redirect, no scroll, no form submit, you are not alone. In Lovable 2026, button issues are very common and are usually caused by missing actions, overlay conflict, mobile visibility, settings, broken links, or unsafe changes. In this step-by-step guide, I will show you how to fix button click not working in Lovable 2026 like a pro. So there are some common button click not working symptoms like button looks clickable but does nothing, works in editor not on live sites, button works on desktop not mobile, button hover works but click doesn't, button should link or scroll but doesn't, form submits, button not responding. Okay, so check if button has an action. Okay, most common cause. A button with no action will do nothing, so click the button, open button settings or action, confirm one action is set, link to page, external URL, scroll or to section, submit form. Styling alone doesn't make a button functional. Okay, you can also verify the link or target is correct, so broken targets equals dead button. So if linking to a page, make sure the page exists, page is published, URL slug is correct. If linking externally, URL starts with https // no typos. If scrolling, target section ID exists. Okay, so test the button on mobile view. So many buttons fail only on mobile. Switch to mobile view, click the button again, check visibility settings. Okay, ensure hide on mobile is off, button is not covered by another element. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video and see you guys in the next tutorial.